If I got you, you got me. It don't matter what they say. They just wish that they.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys some free goodies that I got. So I have two boxes. I kind of already opened them, like, yeah. So this one is from Crowdtap and this one is from PinchMe. There's PinchMe, and basically you can get free goodies from them and stuff like that. And basically the only thing you have to do is you have to like have like a little review on the products, and you have to submit them before the deadline. And then on the back of the box it says to snap a photo and be creative to share it on your it says Instagram and Facebook, and then hashtag happy pincher and tag at PinchMe in your post, and to tag at least 2 friends to be a media influencer. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this. The thing about PinchMe is, like, if they do send you like free samples and things like that, it does take a while to get to you. So I totally forgot all about this box, but it came in the mail like a day ago, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do like a little review thing for it. So the first thing that's on the top is this touch up at home. It's supposed to be a root touch up, so you get $3 off coupon. And then this right here, I'm gonna stick that stuff down. It's like a little pamphlet thing, and then when you open it, it gives you like some samples here, and then like the little sponge applicators that you can use to apply it to your roots. So you're supposed to put it on your roots and things like that. Give you dark brown, medium brown, light brown, and blonde. And then I see you can get black and red also up here. I probably won't use this, but I guess I will kind of test it out just so I can do the review for it. But the coupon I probably may give away. I might just get it just to use it because it's free. I don't know. We'll figure that part out. Is this little thing here. It says RX nut butter, and it looks like this. Not really too sure what this is, to be honest. It feels squishy and then kind of hard down here. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use this, but we will figure it out, and I will try it out. And this is in the vanilla almond butter, so that probably may be good. So yeah, I gave me one of these in there. 1850 coffee. This is lantern gold. This is light roasted coffee. It looks like this, and it feels like it probably should go in a coffee machine, and I don't have one of those, so I will figure out a way to use this. I probably would just try and use it like instant coffee, because I do have like a strainer and things like that. But this is a little pack that you give you, and it's about that much coffee in here, so this could pretty much last somebody for a while. I mean, especially if you don't like your coffee really strong. So I'm going to test that out. I mean, I think I like coffee, so hopefully it's good. The thing that was in this box is this HelloFresh company, and basically you can get ready-made meals. Like, everything is already measured out for you. Everything is measured out for you and things like that. And basically they gave me a $50 gift card to basically go online, find a meal or so that I want, use this discount code, and it's gonna pretty much pay for it for me. So this is what it looks like, and I definitely want to try it because I've seen somebody use it before on YouTube, and I was like, that is like extremely cool, and the meals look so delicious. So I will try this out and maybe do a video making the meal with you guys. But yeah, we're gonna do that. So that all came in that box, and basically what I have to do is go back onto PinchMe and basically write my reviews on each item and what I think about it as I use them. So on to the next box, which is Crowdtap, and this is actually a new website that I just found out about. Basically you go in there, you like take like little surveys, answer questions and things like that, and somehow I came across a makeup where I could test out a sample. So I have to show you guys this side of the box because my information is on this side. But yeah, so I got to review a foundation and a primer. So when you open the box, it's gonna have this white paper. This is my first time ever using this, and the first time of me using it, they sent me a sample. So once we open up this paper, boom, there is the foundation and the primer, and then there's a little card at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and read this first. It says, your hand-picked crowd kit is here. And that is the name of the company right here. On the back it says, here's where we need your help. One, basically you have to look into your emails. It says, look in your emails from us about your mission. Complete your mission and submit a report. So you still have to do the same type of thing, write a review or something like that. I'm not really too sure because I haven't really tested it out yet. And then it says, high five yourself for being so awesome. So the foundation, come on camera. So the foundation they gave me is the Revlon Stay Color Full Cover Foundation, and I got to pick my own shade, and to be honest, it wasn't the many shades that they let you test out, but I got Toast, and hopefully it's going to be my shade. I'm not sure. And then this is the new Prep and Protect Primer. So they gave me these two for free, and like I said, I haven't tested them out yet, so I'll probably just do a separate video of showing you guys what I think of this and like my first impressions and things like that. It's just a squeeze tube. We're gonna open it. It's just a little squeeze tube, I'm pretty sure. Yes, squeeze tubes I'm okay with. I just normally squeeze them on the back of my hand. And the primer, I'm pretty sure is going to be like one of those. Okay, it's a squeeze tube, but it has like that point. Oh, and it's actually coming out, and it has like a little bit of a tint to it. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but it has a little bit of a tint. So that's different. And it's like leaking out. I don't think I squeezed it, but anyway. I'll just do a separate video and go ahead and test this out for you guys and let you guys know my thoughts on this, because I'm not really sure. I don't really know exactly what I have to do for this company yet, but I do know I have to like test out the product, kind of give my thoughts, and like post a picture probably like on my IG and things like that. But once I know a little bit more about how to work it, I will come back and let you guys know. But probably when my review comes, I should know maybe a little bit more about it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe down below, because our family is growing. We're at 300. Let's see. Looks like we're at 300. Are we at 300? We're at 300? Are we? Okay. So we're growing. Okay. Don't mind my appearance in this video, you guys. I just want to jump on here and do this video. I'll probably actually do another video right after this in the same shirt, because your girl needs to get some videos out this week. And yeah, but I'll see you guys in my next video.